super insane. There's tons of great lines, tons of great terrain. I already felt the snow is a little weird, wind blown for sure. The whole face went. Ah, it's okay! Whoa, holy shit, man! Hello and welcome to the land of powder, sushi and heated toilet seats. There's still not a lot of snow in the Alps. We spontaneously decided to fly to Japan. As you guys know, I'm always trying to ski bigger lines. That's why we came to Hakuba, because the biggest terrain in Japan is in Hakuba. Beautiful, the sun is shining. It's a little bit crusty. There's a little bit of Tao on this side and a little bit of crust on the other side, but I mean, what do we want more? There's beautiful spines, tons of snow. Just stoked to be here. We're still a little bit jet-lagged. Just feels amazing to be out here. Yeah, Happo is the biggest ski resort in Hakuba. It gives you access to some amazing terrain. We met up with a few friends.
Hallo.
That's the best, when no planning, everything spontaneously just works out. You meet your buddies on the other side of the world and just have a good time.
Don't waste my time. Don't waste my butterflies.
We wanted to try and score some bigger lines, some spines. It's hard to time it right, it's hard to get the weather window, but the terrain here is actually crazy. It's super big and also super gnarly. You can do some crazy stuff.
Don't waste my time. Don't waste my time.
That's a glide crack. Biggest glide cracks I've ever seen. And scary snow bridge here. Yeah, just skied a huge spine in Japan, which I really didn't expect when we came here. We definitely got to ski some different Japan terrain that you normally don't see as often. Super insane. There's tons of great lines, tons of great terrain that normally is just too dangerous, or with the bad weather all the time not possible to ride. So I feel lucky, feeling blessed, and yeah, now we hike a little bit back up and ski down on the backside where the even better snow should be. Do another beautiful run to the valley. Let's get it. When we made our way out at the bottom, I found these dams. I saw it and I was like, okay, damn, I need I need to ski this dam. Yeah, it was quite hard. It was some uphill landings. I made it work. It was a really fun little side quest at the bottom before we got home. Oh, guys! From there I found this super nice face. It looked really beautiful, perfect terrain. That was our goal for the next day. We just passed the 10,000 subscribers. I'm really grateful for all of your nice comments, and when you guys come up to us. We met a few fans in Japan, which is actually crazy. Thank you guys so much for your support. We are out here watching the 4-star competition right now. Brings up some memories from my competition time. I competed in the World Tour 5 years ago here, which was my World Tour debut. Pretty special place. It's also a privilege to just go up there and ski the untracked powder, find our own lines. This is I would say my new favorite thing to do, just to find new lines all over the planet, ski new mountains, and find the most beautiful stuff. And that's what we gonna do right now. We got back up there, had this amazing terrain right in front of us. On our way to this zone, I dropped in, did 2 or 3 turns, crossed back to the ridge, and I already felt the snow is a little weird, wind blown for sure, a lot of wind. And Gabriel followed me right before he got back on the ridge. The whole face went, I don't know, about almost 100 meters wide and probably around 300 meters long. It's okay! Gabriel got swept down, he slid down about 300 meters. It was definitely a super scary moment. Avalanche was huge, actually. It was pretty damn big. Whoa! Whoa, holy shit, man! Wow, das war fett! We were just lucky and happy. We came away with a shock. Fuck. Oh Gott. Oh.
Auf einmal merke ich, irgendwas löst sich und ich hatte dann...
Voll einblasen da, oder?
Ja, ich habe nicht so mal die Chance gehabt, dass ich jetzt irgendwie... Ich war sofort drinnen.
Fuck, man. In the end, we could easily say why it happened. There's a lot of wind. There was this wind pocket, and we crossed right at the worst point of the face. And yeah, that was our mistake. It was my mistake actually, because Gabriel was just following my track. And yeah, now we know better for next time. We're lucky to be good to go and stay safe in the next days. The phase with the Avalanche was an east-facing slope. Yeah, in the afternoon we went to our planned phase, which was west-facing, and we knew that it's very different snow there. We just knew that the wind wasn't that strong in this aspect. We were good to go for our planned mission. Let's set it. We had found super good snow, no wind-blown snow, just fresh pow. Had an amazing line there. In the end, we had some amazing first days, just exploring around, skiing some big lines in Japan.
Cheers! Cheers! You guys are the best! You guys are the best!
We celebrated Gabriel's birthday and second birthday with some hot sake. In the evening it started snowing and yeah, we knew there is a big dump on the way and the next week is gonna be epic.